Thinking about moving from teaching into project management? You're not alone. Thousands of teachers are making this exact switch. And today, I'll show you how you can successfully transition from the classroom to the boardroom. First, let's talk about why teachers make great project managers. As a teacher, you already plan and schedule lessons. That's project planning. You manage parents, administrators, and students. That's stakeholder management. You're skilled at communication, conflict resolution, and adapting to change. These are core project management skills. You may already be more PM ready than you realize. So how do you make the switch? Step 1. Learn the basics. Try the Google Project Management Certificate, the CAPM exam, or even free online courses. Step 2. Get practical exposure. Volunteer to manage school events, community projects, or digital collaborations. Step 3. Build your resume. Translate teacher duties into project language. For example, instead of saying design lesson plans, say developed project schedules. Instead of manage classrooms of 30 students, say led cross-functional teams. Step 4. Network and apply. Join LinkedIn PM groups, local PMI chapters, or mentorship programs. Apply for entry-level PM or coordinator roles. Now let's set realistic expectations. You may start as a junior project manager, a project coordinator, or even an operations manager. The salary might start mid-level, but with certifications like the PMP and industry experience, it can grow very quickly. Here's some inspiration. One of my viewers was a high school teacher for 8 years. She took the Google PM certificate, landed a role as a project coordinator in EdTech, and within 2 years, she's now a project manager leading digital learning projects. If she can do it, so can you. If you're a teacher considering project management, remember this. You already have the skills. You just need to reframe them. Your classroom experience can become your project experience. So tell me, what's stopping you from making the switch?